Something is happening to our world, and it's happening faster than we are willing to admit. We built a civilization that runs hotter, faster, hungrier than anything Earth has ever seen. And now the systems we created are beginning to fail. You weren't supposed to see this part. Because the collapse doesn't begin with destruction, it begins with acceleration. We live inside systems that never sleep. Markets, grids, networks, machines. They were designed to support us. Now we exist to support them. Everything accelerates. Nothing stabilizes. But acceleration always hides a cost, and that cost is about to surface. Intelligence used to be biological. Now it runs on electricity. AI is not virtual, it is physical. It burns power just to think. Every model trained, every prediction generated, every optimization delivered consumes a piece of the world. So what happens when intelligence demands more than the planet can give? We built a global machine with an appetite larger than any fuel source. Solar can't scale fast enough. Nuclear can't build fast enough. Oil collapses under its own consequences. Civilization is running on overdraft, and overdrafts always get collected. Algorithms no longer react, they initiate. Machines coordinate cities, predict consumption, redirect energy before humans notice the shortage. Our systems think faster than we can understand, but fast decisions break slow civilizations. We created a world where every system depends on another. Energy depends on computation. Computation depends on data. Data depends on networks. Networks depend on stability. One crack, anywhere, becomes a fracture everywhere. And fractures always travel farther than predicted. The grid is the nervous system of the planet, and it is overstimulated. One extreme event, one wrong load, one unexpected surge, and entire regions collapse. And collapse rarely stops where it begins. Modern conflict no longer targets armies. It targets power lines, satellites, fiber routes, semiconductor chains. These are the arteries of civilization, and every artery has a breaking point, and some of them are already breaking. AI expands faster than the infrastructure feeding it. Every breakthrough doubles the demand. Every new system multiplies consumption. We created intelligence without creating a world capable of sustaining it. So the question is no longer, can AI surpass us? It's, can the planet survive both of us? No empire collapses instantly. They collapse in phases. First comes the strain, then the denial, then the acceleration, and finally, the moment when every system becomes more expensive than the civilization it supports. Guess which phase we're in? When systems speed up, they begin to feed themselves. Instability creates instability. Heat creates heat. Demand creates demand. This is the physics of collapse. Quiet, mathematical, unstoppable. And once a system accelerates beyond its limit, it doesn't slow down, it breaks. We were not designed for a world that moves this fast. Our biology is ancient, our systems are not. And in the gap between the two, something begins to snap. And when humans reach their limit, civilizations follow. Every graph, every model, every trend, they all point to the same conclusion. We are building a future that cannot sustain itself. A future held together by speed and dissolving under its own weight. But collapse is not the end. It is the beginning of something else. At Flux Intellectus, we study the lines, the hidden signals beneath the noise. You are not watching a prediction, you are watching the pattern before the break. And if something inside you shifted, that wasn't fear, it was recognition. Comment, I hear the signal. Subscribe, share this transmission, because the future is not collapsing, it is transforming. And now, you can see the break.